Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Subsystem for Linux. This allows Wsl2 to run. Next, make sure Windows 11 is fully updated so the kernel package installs cleanly. Open PowerShell as administrator and run the command to set WSL to version 2. This step toggles the runtime. Once done, install your chosen Linux distro from the Microsoft Store. Because the distro provides the userland tools you'll use immediately. Now you configure the distro. Launch it to create your user account and password, since that initializes the file system. After that, update packages so tools match the kernel. Use sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to reduce compatibility issues. Make sure to adjust /etc/WSL. Conf for auto mount options if you want consistent drive mappings, because proper mounts avoid permission surprises. Finally, test networking and file access, so the environment behaves like a native Linux shell. Complete setup by installing essential developer tools, Git, Build Essential, curl, so you can build and fetch code directly. Set your default distro with WSL set default to streamline workflow and integrate editors by opening files from Windows. This bridges both systems. If WSL becomes unresponsive, run WSL shutdown or restart the LXSS manager service, because that forces a clean kernel restart. If you still see issues, check virtualization.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.